Hey guys, what's up? I really welcome you to the official YouTube channel of KingSam Grafix. Today I'm your tutor, I'm your coach. Okay, we're going to design something very simple, a birthday flyer. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, so today I'm going to guide you to design this birthday flyer on your screen, okay, step by step. So kindly watch the video to the end. Okay, I have something for you at the end of the video, so kindly watch it to the end. Let me see your comment in the comment section. Okay, if you have any issue concerning this video, and then kindly subscribe to this channel to receive more updates. Okay, and then don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when new contents have been uploaded. All right, so let's move on to our business for the day. The first thing we have to do, probably as usual, go ahead and delete this text right here. Okay, all right, so let's quickly go ahead and change the background size. Okay, so we are using image size right here. Change the weight to 1000 pixels. Okay, and then the height to 1300 or 1300 pixels, so this way. Okay, so just click on okay. So our background size is being set. Let's change the color. Okay, so we are using this gradient color right here. This is the gradient color we are using. But then what if we are starting from scratch? Okay, so let me show you how I set this image color or background color. Okay, so let me probably just click on this one, black and white. Okay, and then just click on this plus sign right here. Okay, so we are setting our background color, so we are using the gradient. Just click on it this way. All right, so basically you have two colors right here. Okay, so to my left is the black color, to my right is the white color right here. I'm going to make good use of these 2 points right here. So there's the white and then there's the black. If you want to change the color, these are the points you're going to use. Okay, and then these are the various options for the gradient. So depending on what you want to achieve, you can adjust the gradient right from here. Okay, so in this case you're using this point gradient right here. Okay, so where we have your very deep black in the middle towards gray and then the white surrounding it. Okay, so let's quickly move on. Depending, I want to change the white color. Okay, just click on this icon right here. Okay, so this icon, that's the color. Just click on color and then you can change the color right from here. Okay, good, very simple. All right, so look at down here. This is where you want the color to be transparent or not. Okay, as I'm moving, look at this point. Okay, look at this side as I'm moving the point. Okay, so we do want it to be transparent, so it's another option that you can look at, but in this case you are not considering that, so just focus on choosing your color. But what if the color I want is though it's here, okay, it's like I want this kind of color, but then it's not very accurate. What you can do is you have to pick a color in the project. Okay, so if I have any special color in the project I want to pick, just click on this icon. Okay, this icon, just pick color in the project. So in this case, that's what you're going to do, just pick color. Okay, so this way, but then the color you want is not here. Okay, so what you have to do is I want to import, let's go back. Okay, I want to import the flyer I want to pay the color from. Okay, so just click on this plus sign right here and then from gallery. Okay, so I just want to pick the flyer right here. So there's the flyer. Okay, just import into the project like this. Okay, and then go back to color, this plus sign right here, and then let's use this point gradient. Okay, so the white color surrounding it, just click on it and then just click on the color, pick color. Okay, and then select this one, and I'm going to pick the very darkest point on this flyer right here. So as you could see, okay, good. And then here you can adjust it a bit. Okay, so you can really adjust it right from here. Good, cool. Okay, so we've set our first color, that's the white that was surrounding the black, and we've set it. Okay, and then the black there, just click on color. Okay, and this one we are going to pick right from the flyer. So in the center, you can see the center is very brighter than the surrounding or the edges of the flyer. Okay, so you can pick somewhere here. Okay, and then just click on the check mark and then you can adjust it right from here. Okay, so I want this to be very kind of light. Okay, cool. So you can see the edge is very deep down towards the middle. Okay, so this is what I want to achieve, and then just click on okay if you are satisfied with the color, and then you can go ahead and delete this one right here. Good, so our background size is set, our color is being set right here. Let's start working. Okay, so let's import our first image right from here. So gallery, let's import our image. So this is the image we are using right here. So this is the image. Very nice video right for you. All right, so we can adjust the image right here. Okay, so you can put it somewhere here. All right, so you can reduce the size a little bit and put it somewhere here. All right, so just lock it this way, okay, and then copy. So just copy right here, okay, and then just click on crop. So this way, and I'm going to reflect it. So this way, okay, sorry, just reflect and just position this one right there to the back. Okay, so this way, cool. Unlock it, cool. Okay, you can move it down a bit somewhere here. Okay, and then go ahead and reduce the opacity. So opacity way down to somewhere 41. Okay, all right, this is cool. 42 is okay. Just go ahead and lock it. So this way. All right, so the next thing you are going to do is to quite blend this image with the background. So you can see the base here is kind of sharp. Okay, so you're going to blend this with the background. So how do you do that? Let's jump right into it. Just click on shapes right here. Okay, so this way, and then you're going to use gradient color. So just click on this gradient color right here. So this one, okay, and then just click on the plus sign. We're going to change the color, and then we want to use this effect. Okay, so where we have our darkest part at the base and the lightest part at the top. Okay, so with the darkest part we are maintaining the color, but with the lightest part just click on the color, and then as I told you earlier, move this one at the base here towards the left completely. Okay, so this way. Alright, so just click on this check mark right here, and then you can move this one a bit upwards. Okay, so good. And if you could see, this is very sharp. Okay, where the darkest part is blending and the lightest part is very sharp. You can just click on this plus sign right here. So this plus sign, okay, just click on it. It gives you a point in between the very lightest and then the very darkest part. Okay, let me move this towards the lightest part. You can see you're getting a kind of blend. Okay, so as it's coming towards the dark, you can see this is very sharp, but moving towards this side, you are getting the blend you really want. Okay, so just click on OK if this is cool for you. The next thing you're going to do is just stretch it to fill the base right here. Okay, I just wanted to fill the base right here, so adjust it very nicely. All right, good. This okay. So you've gotten your blend. The image is blending with the background. You are not seeing any sharp edge. Okay, so this is cool. Let's continue. All right, so the next thing you're doing is to add a cool effect to this our image right here to make our work very dope. Okay, so just click on shapes, go to circle right here. Okay, just click on this way. Okay, you can change the color to black. Okay, so change it to black color. So this way, go ahead and copy. So copy very fast, and you can change the color. Change the color to white. So color white. Good. Okay, position this right in the middle. So use the relative position method. Use this one, position right in the middle. So this way, okay, can reduce the size a little bit. Go ahead and merge the two. Merge this way. Okay, good. And then erase color. Just click on erase color. So this way, then move the tolerance way to 70. Okay, good. Cool. So let's change the color to yellow. Okay, so you're changing the color to this very deep yellow right there, kind of. All right, so okay, so there's the color. Okay, so just click on OK, and then position it somewhere here. Okay, stretch it a little bit, and then position it somewhere here. All right, so go to this side and send it to in between here. Okay, so this is what I want to achieve. This okay, cool. All right, so the next thing I want to do is to just go ahead and copy this one. Okay, just copy this way, and then reduce the size. Okay, copy and we just reduce the size this way, and then position it somewhere here. Yeah, so this one should be front. Okay, make sure it's quite directly in the middle. So use this position to adjust it to make it very nice. All right, good. The next thing you're doing is to add another ellipse or circle this way, the color being white. Okay, make sure it's quite small, and then position right in the middle this way. cool. So this way we're almost done. Okay, let's add our text, happy birthday. Okay, and then boom, we are there. Okay, so just move on to test. So this is our test right there. Add a test and then just type in happy. Okay, so happy, capital H and then PPY, happy. All right, so just click on okay. Okay, so happy. So you can go ahead and increase the size a little bit. Okay, and then change the font. We're changing the font to this signature font right here. So I will leave the link in the description. You can go ahead and check it out. So we're using the KingSam signature font right here. Okay, so make sure no part is being cut off. So just adjust it this way. All right, so position somewhere here. Good. Go ahead and lock it. All right. Our next test is birthday. So happy birthday. Okay, so just type in birthday right there. Birthday. Good. So this here, capitalize it this here. Okay, and then change the color. Okay, so the color should be the same shape that we added. Change the color. So this color right here. Okay, and then change the fonts. You have these very nice fonts. You are going to use this font right here. Okay, so with that one, the link will be left in the description. You can go ahead and check it out. Okay, so this way, and then you can go ahead and space it up a little bit, kind of. All right, cool. So this way, so make sure you move this below the happy. Okay, so this way, go ahead and lock it. Right, so then the next thing is to add a name. So just select the happy. Okay, go ahead and copy it, the name of the person. Just type in what's the name? All right, Wilhelmina. All right, so this is all right, so I have the name here. Just make sure no part is being cut off. All right, so this way, done. Okay, so you can go ahead and reduce the size a little bit. Make sure it is very small. Okay, so this way you can position it somewhere here. Not bad. All right, so nice. Our work is coming out. We're almost done. Just left for the day. So select the happy. Okay, copy and then type in 23rd October. Okay, so just type in 23rd 23rd October 2022. Good. So this way, done. Okay, can the spacing reduce it, so this way. Good. Can reduce the size again and then position right here. Use the relative position points, okay, to make it very easy for you. Position it somewhere here. Okay, so lock it, boom, and we are done. This is our birthday flyer. Very nice, very simple. If you follow it step by step. All right, so guys, simple. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial to the end. I promise you something right. Yeah, good. I've been forgetting. Okay. All right, so this is the flyer right here. Very simple. If you follow through, kindly like this video. If you have any issue, just leave your comment in the comment section. I'll address it, and then click on the subscribe button. Okay, and then the notification bell, don't forget, so that anytime I upload new content, you'll be the first person, the first person to be notified. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this, or how to mock up this, okay, using Photopea. Okay, so stay tuned for my next tutorial. Sign out. Bye.